Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to capture any window and add it to your OBS scene. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Before we move forward, here's an important note you need to keep in mind. Make sure the web browser or desktop app you want to capture is already running and open on your computer. This is crucial because OBS can only detect windows that are currently active, so if the program isn't open yet, it won't appear in your capture options. Once OBS is open, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll see a section labeled Sources. This is where all your scene elements live, and it's where we'll be adding your window capture. Click on the plus icon in this section to reveal a list of different source types you can add to your scene. From this list, select Window Capture. This option is specifically designed to capture individual application windows rather than your entire screen, giving you more control over what appears in your broadcast or recording. After selecting Window Capture, a small dialog box will appear asking you to name your source. You can keep the default name or give it something more descriptive if you prefer. Once you're satisfied, click OK to proceed to the configuration settings. Now you'll see the Properties window for your window capture source. Navigate to the Window option, and right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal all the currently open applications and windows on your computer. Scroll through the list and select the specific web browser or desktop app you want to capture. This is where having that application already open becomes essential, as it ensures it appears in this list for you to choose from. Once you've selected your desired window, take a moment to review the other settings if needed, though the default options usually work perfectly fine for most scenarios. When you're ready, navigate to the bottom right corner of the Properties window and click OK to save your settings and close the dialog. Your captured window will now appear in your OBS scene. Finally, you'll likely want to adjust how the captured window looks in your scene. You can resize or reposition the captured window by clicking on it in the preview area and dragging the corners to make it larger or smaller. You can also click and drag from the center to move it to a different position within your scene. This flexibility allows you to create professional-looking layouts that fit your content perfectly. And that's it! You've successfully added a window capture to your OBS scene. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.